Reform agenda. The Prime Minister outlines the road ahead for the public sector and answers concerns about job cuts and carousel. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, War of Words. Nurses Association, Health Ministry clash over worker migration.
Rubbish response. The agency that's made that assertion about the government's development of the old cholera cemetery.
Growing food from fish. A special report from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm about a school initiative making waves.
Investigation. Cops probe whether their colleagues were to blame for the escape of a man accused of murder.
In business news, Kingston gets tourism boost.
There's also sports commentary as well as primetime weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Have you or someone known had a surgery at a public health care facility postponed? What was the reason?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News